Hachzek Musar Yomi, page 207 in the art school, Rabeinu Yona's Sharei Teshuva, says Rabeinu Yona, many more reasons why we never should delay in tomorrow. I'll deal with figuring out life. Tomorrow, I'll improve my midas, my Torah, my tshuva. Says Rabeinu Yona of Hashenis. The second reason that we said was why one should not say, when I have money, that's when I'll deal with that. Which just reminds us parenthetically of how much we learned in Sharei Teshuva, how much we learned the natural way that people always say, I want to amass more money and more money. And now over there we learned, the Chavez Alvavos taught us how critically anti-Torah, anti-Bitachon such a mindset is. But now we're dealing with this through the lens of improving ourselves, through the lens of Rabeinu Yona Sharei Teshuva. We'll see that they'll meet up at a point. Says Rabeinu Yona, after he has even more money, he's still not going to be satisfied. And what's he going to want then? Even more money. As the Medrash teaches us, one does not leave this world with even half of what he desires. Meaning, you have 1 million, you want 2, you have 4, you need 8, etc., etc. Yesh b'yadamana, famously, Misavalasais Masayim. You see, you get 200, Misavalasais Arba Meos. V'chein kasev, and as the pasuk Shlomo Melech teaches us, Ayev kesef lo yisba kesef. One who loves money will never be satisfied with money. And therefore, waiting until I'll have enough money and then I'll work on myself is foolish, as I'll never get to that point. Hashlishis, the third reason why it's critically important to not wait. Hazman mismayit malacha meruba. There's not a lot of time, there's a lot of work. Malachas atayir v'tikkun nefesh, the learning of Torah and improving oneself, and reaching the true values of Ruchnius, Avas Hashem, Yiras Hashem, Dava, clinging to Hashem. Haravias, the fourth reason is when you delay improving yourself, what's going to happen is, before you get to the point that you're going to improve yourself, you're going to snowball in Aveiros and different avains constantly. Chamisha is the fifth issue, that when one delays fixing himself, the Yitzhara grows and grows more and more powerful, and it makes the hard heart, which then disables and makes it that much more difficult to improve ourselves afterwards. As the pasuk says that they're all overgrown with thorns. We learned this in Mesilas Yesharim, that when we're lazy, what happens is we're like that lazy man taking care of a field, that it doesn't just not grow. It starts getting overgrown with thorns and all the garbage out there. What happens when the Yitzhara is attached to Aveira? It's like one who is minos. It's like mamish abikarsis, and he no longer is able even to purify himself because the Yitzhara is so strong. As we've learned in Musar, all things are controlled by hergol, by habit. The more you habituate yourself to not work on yourself, to allow the Yitzhara to win, the more difficult it will be. And we'll pick it up, conclude the 8 reasons to never delay in the next year of the Siyata Dishmaya.